Out of room, what I plan to do now, and you can see a bit of the pearlescent color on here. I used the Trek Modeler paint guide to do it. Now it's going to be iridescent for the refit, the motion picture refit. But what I'm doing is I'm going to cut out all the Enterprise decals, those are the ones that have E on them, and put them in there using the Ziploc bags. I'll come back when it's done. Alright, here we go. So, all the Enterprise decals are in the bag. Here we are. And of course I will put the instructions in the bag as well. There we go. So, and of course, as you see, all the Reliant Aztecs and their trim decals are all in the bag as well. We'll see if those trim decals can fit in the Ziploc bag. Alright, so all the Reliant decals are now in their bag. The detail decals are here. There's the instructions. Okay, that's good. So I guess there's no harm now in taking the one that's going to be the refit. But I'll do that when the time comes. So the two kits are all ready for building, 42 and 43.